up everyone, it's your girl Natural BB here, and I'm back with another video. So guys, as you've already read by the title, for today's video we will be doing a Julia's Jewelry unboxing and review. I have collabed with them before, so if you haven't checked out that video, I will leave the link for that video in the description below, and it will also be up here in the eye thingy. So guys, if you're interested in seeing me unbox this ring, and if you're interested in hearing my thoughts about it, then please continue watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. And let's get straight to this video. Okay guys, so I've already ripped the bag. Well, I didn't rip the bag. The bag was ripped by my husband by accident because he thought it was his package. But anyways, this has not been opened, so we're going to open it now. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up. Opening it up. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so once you open it up, this is what it looks like. Here you have the Julia Jewelry. Thank you for purchasing. And all of that. There's a 15% discount code. I also will leave my code in the description below, so if you guys want to get some points taken off, check there. And then we have this right here that just says stop, and I'm sure it's read before removing jewelry tag. Okay, so I did see this in the last ring that I got. So basically, before you remove the tag, you want to make sure that the ring is to your liking. You want to make sure that it fits your fingers and all of that, because once the tag is off, you're not going to be able to send it back. Okay, and then here they have the little book, and you know, you can just go through the book and, you know, see all of the other jewelries that they have. So they have earrings. They have bracelets and all of that. They have jewelry for men also. Okay, so check them out. I will leave the link in the description below. And then here you have this little bag right here. This little bag is just in case you're giving it to someone as a gift, or you plan on proposing with it. You know, you can put it in this little bag or whatever. So yeah guys, that's just a little bag. And then once all of those things are off, this is what it's looking like. This is so cute. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. Isn't this so pretty? I know I said the same thing in my last video, but look. And this is the tag that I was talking about. You want to make sure that it fits your fingers and all of that before you take this tag off, because once this tag is off, then you know, yeah. So y'all, I'm so nervous, but it's time to put the ring on to make sure it fits. I'm pretty sure it's going to fit. It actually looks a little bit big, but let's see. Okay guys, so boom, it fits, and it is gigantic. Whoa, it is big. Look at this, y'all. Like,
oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! Boy, if you don't...
Can't nobody check me with this ring on. And that's it. Because y'all, look at it. This is sterling silver. Y'all, this is big. This is a rock. This is like, this is ice. This, I don't know. This is just beautiful. Like, whoa. So y'all sent me. I love it already. So you know what's going to happen? This tag is coming off. This tag is coming off. Boom.
Mackenzie on the beat.
Bad girls maybe put me on a long thing.
Thumbnail?
Fine girls, all of them they'll be fronting and knock your cheek and I lose the wrong thing. Your girlfriend like cause she said it's anointing. Bad girls maybe put me on a long thing. Fine girls, all of them they'll be.
But yes, guys, this is what the ring is looking like. But I think that I'm going to wear them separately, so I guess I'll just be rocking this one just like that, because y'all, this is huge. So yeah, and actually this one feels like it's a little bit big for my fingers, but not really. So this one is in the size 7.5 and it fits actually pretty good. This one is a little on the extra side. The last one that I reviewed was actually very simple, but I didn't want to try the same ring, so that's why I got this one. And yeah, so if you're someone that's extra and you want a really big rock on your finger, then boom, this is it right here. I guess one of my fingers are bigger than the other. That's crazy. So this is it on the other finger. This is them separately. Yes guys, so I will leave the code if you guys plan on purchasing any jewelries from them. I do have a discount code in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. And so guys, that's all I have for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. Check out Julia's Jewelry, follow them on Instagram. I will leave everything in the description below. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.